The whole body line right here is rolled in. And you got this area. Whole body line is crushed, buckled up here. Crazy. Okay, so we're at location number 2 for the day as far as the big dents go. Here's the big dent behind me. We're going to start off with the glue pull. We're going to use the Keco large crease tab as well. We're going to use a leverage bar. We're going to pull as much of that dent out as we possibly can before we start tooling it. I have no idea if there's access behind the tail light. I'm about to find out. I know there's no access through the wheel well. I checked. There's no plugs. If there's no access through the tail light, I'm probably going to have to drill through the wheel well, which I don't want to do, but last resort, I'll make it happen. Or I could take the entire interior trim panel off and go through there, but I'm not going to do that because the customer isn't paying for all that. This is about a $500 to $600 repair as is. So we're going to try to keep it on the price as low as we can without tearing the whole car completely apart. Okay, so there's the dent. I can take the tail light out. There may be access through the tail light, and this is what I'm talking about. Now, if I go through here, I gotta take this interior trim panel out, everything underneath this mat. Probably gotta take that seat out, which means I've gotta take this seat out and take this trim piece off. So just to get this off, that has to come off the seats. This, all that. I mean, I can do it. It'll probably take about 30 minutes, but we're trying to keep this repair as the least expensive as possible. So let's make it happen. Okay, so for this repair, I'm going to use the Ryobi glue gun I got from Home Depot. I bought a 18 volt 2 amp and a 4 amp hour. I used this one already and it lasts 3 hours and 45 minutes with the glue gun. So I bought 2 of these glue guns. They were $39 each. The battery and this battery and a charger. And all of it was like $220 something. They gave me a discount for a bundle. And I think it saved me $40 or $60. So a $40 glue gun, $37. Look at how well built this thing is. This is a freaking amazing purchase. It's got the rubber grip on it. This is just a hellacious great deal. I mean, it just works very well. Really, really does. And you can buy like 5 or 6 of these and use different color glues and never have to change out your glue. And for the price of just one PDR specific glue gun. And then you already have to buy the batteries. You might as well. I mean, this is a no-brainer right here. Absolute no-brainer. Okay. gun works well. Glue gun works very well. Nice tube. I haven't used a glue gun on the big tabs. I've only used them on small tabs. So it fills up an entire glue tab. It's got a nice chamber on it. Nice long chamber, which is almost a full tab. So if you use that much glue, I think these are perfect for if you're a hell technician. These are perfect. So as I'm pulling here, I can see it one flex over here. So I think once I get this out, this right here kind of release a little bit. Beast. Use a small tab here, see how well it pulls. I have no idea how well this is going to pull. Hopefully it holds nicely. That would be great. I just need it to hold so I can get a good solid pull and release some of the tension. That would be fantastic. Set up our chain. Nope. I hate that job. They seem so angry over there. Pure misery. A lot of dogs over there. Probably about $20, $30 being washed at once. We have a winner. We have a winner, folks. Come down and collect your prize. $500. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Hey, he may be happy with just that. Want to call it a day. That would be fantastic. That would be fantastic. Let's try to get the rest of this out. Come take a look at this. This is beautiful. Absolutely Beautiful. Look at that. Look how much came out on those first two pulls. And look at that. That's it. Now, that's beautiful. Still got to work that little area. But I mean, look at all that just came out. It's beautiful. Work this line a little bit. Get this line out straighter, and get that crown knocked down. And I think we'll be golden. Okay. I'm pretty much gonna just go straight to 100% glue pull on this bad boy. No holes being drilled. We're gonna use some tab weld next. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of new gangrene tabs. And we're gonna see what we can do here. Let's get it on. Crease tabs. Boom. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how long this 2 amp hour battery lasts. I have no idea. Hopefully it'll last 2 hours. Because I have no more batteries left. And my big light, I broke it. I don't know how. It's not good. I love these tabs, man. These right here are awesome. These Atlas tabs, they're freaking amazing. Monster pullers. So I'm kind of placing them where I want the hardest pulls. And then I'll go for some lighter tabs in different locations after this. But these Atlas tabs pull very strong, pull very, very well. And these gangrene tabs right here pull very well. They're monsters. Absolute monsters. Tap weld. It's a little humid, but I still think tap weld's going to do well in this humidity because it's not the worst humidity in the world. See how these things pull. I want to pull it just enough. That was terrible. I'm not gonna mess with this anymore because I don't want it to stretch the metal. I need to work this body line, get it up a little higher. Because if I pull on this too much, it'll stretch it and wool can it, and I'll ruin the repair. So I'm going to focus on this body line and stress relieving this crown here. That's my main objective right now. No. I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Be a good idea. as much glue as I can in the center of this tab. Let me use the bridge system to kind of hold the dent, hold the tab in place. Oh, that's hot. Yeah. It's hot. Okay, let that work. Just gonna have to go this route. Paint it. Nightmare. Whatever. Minutes of time wasted. Sucks. So I'll put the glue on there so I can get the tab off. Okay, so that just happened. I hate the smell of dogs so much. Alright, let's try these tabs out. These are the curved Keco gangrene crease tabs. They're curved, so they should go on the body line perfectly. And they do. Exactly perfect. They go on quite nicely. Beautiful, actually. It is a beautiful thing. Got a little. I don't know if I want to go too big. I don't want to go too big. Put another small one on that side. When I bought this, I bought the big pack. I don't know what I paid. Really don't remember. Got it off the Black Plague, deadrattab.com, blackplaguepdr.com. I don't know what they're called. But they sell these in bundles and you get extra things for free when you buy it in a bundle. And it was like $300, $250. And I got a bunch of these tabs. Some more of these Black Plague crease tabs. A couple packs of tab welder. deadrattabs.com or blackplaguepdr.com. One of the two. We're going to try this out and see how this works. I really don't want to do this. I want to do a different thing. Just want to see. Hold on this side. That was terrible. That was terrible. That was a terrible pull. That was a terrible pull. The glue is just not sitting right. Not the tab, it's the glue. Humidity. Not working well with glue. Clean the panel off. Get my shit. I know these tabs work really very well in creases. I mean, the center, it pulls the center very nice on a sharp little crease, but on these body lines, this is the first time I've been able to use them on a body line. So far, the glue hasn't held up. So I don't know how they're going to pull. The hell tabs, the gangrene dead center hell tabs, they are very stretchy. They pull weird. So I haven't had much experience, a whole lot of experience pulling hell tabs or hell dents with them, just because the pull is just very weird. I don't know what it seems like. They have to do a little bit more experimenting with those to really give you a really good idea of what I think of them. I'm sure they got their place in the tool arsenal, but for daily use, I would. Right now, I can't say I would use it daily because I don't think I would. It seemed too specific for a very specific style of pen. And that's these right here. These gangrene dead center tabs from Keco black plate. I feel like they're meant for a specific application. I gotta figure out what that is yet. Figure out what that is. Because right now those dead center ice tabs are blowing everything out of the water right now. And that's these. These ones. The same exact design as the other one I showed you, except for these don't stretch at all. I mean, they're just honestly some of the best tabs for hell I've ever used. And that's the truth, and a lot of other guys will tell you the same. There's a lot of copycats out there right now. I haven't tested any of those out yet, so I couldn't tell you how they do. A lot of guys say they do great. That pulled very well. It really did. Can definitely say that. That's a good pull. I feel like I stretched that one out a little bit too much. I did. Damn it. Not what I wanted to do. Hey, how you doing, man? Welcome. I know you can't see very well, but I had to put a shade on here. It's killing me. Sun's killing me. So the customer's off work for the day, but he's gonna wait. He doesn't mind. We're already getting done today. So we're gonna stay until we get it done. Put a crease tab right there. Try one of these gangrene curve tabs. And good Lord. What the hell, man? Oh, no wonder. I was wondering, what the heck? I'm having a rough time today with these. There we go. Go ahead and cue this out. Looks good though. Looks good. You just can't really tell, but it looks so much better. Okay, so we got the tail light out. We got access through here, 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 and we're gonna get all this body line fixed and all that right there cleaned up. So let's get going. I'm worn out. I'm so tired. This is exhausting. $4:46 Friday. I started this one at 3:30. Started at 3:30. So we're an hour and 17 minutes in. I've got this much done so far. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Remember when I told you earlier about stretching that? I stretched it. It's going to make for a lot of work. Dang it. Not happy about it. Yeah, I just beat it back down. I just hope it doesn't oil can. What I'm thinking is if I knock all the crowns off. Let's see if we can show you. There it is. Right along there, that little ridge. You see it. He goes all the way up. Gotta get a lot of that crown out. Looks good.